Hey there, it's Kimberly with SafeStrap, and today we're talking about why specification matters. With thousands of shopping cart injuries happening each year, safety really comes down to choosing the best performing seatbelts from a company that's clearly the expert in the field. But when you choose SafeStrap brand, you get more than that. SafeStrap provides unparalleled products liability insurance. We provide over $10 million in product liability insurance written in broad form, which means when you use a SafeStrap product, your company is automatically co-insured under our policy. Also, the shopping cart manufacturers and the shopping cart service companies that purchase SafeStrap products are also co-insured. What this means for you is simple. If you have an accident or injury, as long as all of your restraints are SafeStrap brand, you're covered. But if you mix and match with other brands, it can make things tricky and cause problems when dealing with claims. The sooner you begin specifying SafeStrap brand, the better. If you have further questions, simply contact myself or a SafeStrap team member today.